This is the step-by-step tutorial on how to use Acedly AI in macOS and Windows. Step 1. Download and install the desktop app. First, I will go to the Acedly AI website and click Get Started. Here, I will click Download Desktop App. Select the version that matches your computer. I will click the macOS version, then allow the download. The app is now downloading to my computer. Once the download is complete, I will click Show in Finder. I will double-click and open the app. The app has now been installed and launched successfully. Step 2. Log into your dashboard. Next, I will click Open Browser. Here I will sign into Acedly AI using my Google account. If you are already an existing user, you can simply enter your email address instead. I will click Continue with Google and connect my account. My account is now successfully connected. I will close the browser window and return to the desktop app. Step 3. App Overview. The setup is now complete. I will close the windows that I no longer need. You can freely move the Acedly AI windows anywhere on your screen. You will also notice several keyboard shortcuts that let you hide and unhide the app, move it around the screen, adjust its opacity. You can also resize the app manually by dragging its edges. The Stealth Mode option is enabled by default. This keeps Acedly AI hidden from screen recordings, screen sharing, and screen capture during interviews. Edit Mode. If I turn Edit Mode off using the keyboard shortcut, the app becomes locked in place. No matter where I click, it won't move. When I enable Edit Mode again, I can freely drag and reposition the app. Opacity. I can adjust the app's opacity either manually or with the keyboard shortcuts. Always on top. There's also an option called Always on Top. If I disable it, Acedly AI will go behind other windows whenever I switch to another application. If I enable Always on Top, the app will remain visible above every other window. Whenever a new version of Acedly AI is released, you will see the update notification here. On the left side, you will find several sections: Interview, Start and manage interview sessions, Meeting Assistant, Phone interviews, Capture interview audio and receive AI-generated answers, Mock interviews, Practice interviews. History. View all the previous interview sessions and meetings. Resume. Upload your resume. Support. Contact support. Billing. Upgrade to the Pro plan, either monthly or with a one-time purchase. Settings. Here you can change the app appearance, light, dark, or system, change the language, adjust opacity, and view all the available keyboard shortcuts. At the bottom, you will also find your account information and another option to upgrade your plan. Now let's see how Acedly AI works. I will open the interview section. I will select the general purpose scenario. For the target company, I will enter Google. For the target position, I will enter Manager. I will choose Finance as the industry. Then I will select English as the interview language. Under Reference Material, you can upload your resume or any relevant documents. Next, Acedly AI asks which AI model you would like to use. I will choose Gemini 3.5, then I will select my microphone. Once everything is ready, I will click Start Interview. The interview session has now started. Using the keyboard shortcuts, I can mute or unmute my microphone whenever needed. Next, I will click Start Desktop Audio Capture. I will click on Allow. Now the app is capturing my desktop audio correctly. As the interviewer speaks, Acedly AI listens, processes the conversation, and generates AI-powered answers. You can see that it's thinking and has already generated a response. If I don't need my microphone, I can mute it. I can also switch between the cards view and the timeline view. If I click Stop Desktop Audio Capture, the app stops listening to the desktop audio. As you can see, it's no longer detecting any audio. If I turn Desktop Audio Capture back on, it immediately starts detecting desktop audio again. Everything is working correctly. I can also mute the app's output volume if needed. Finally, when I'm done, I will click End Session to finish the interview. The interview session has now ended successfully. Message us at support@acedly.ai if you have any questions, and don't forget to try Acedly AI for free today.